Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create new site content with AI on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you of course haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have your sites where you can check out all of your websites. We have the setup, the home, we have the settings, and in the bottom left corner, design site. And of course, we have the dashboard where we are at the moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create a new site content with AI on Wix. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. First of all, you need to go and click design site from your site dashboard, which is in the bottom left corner or the top right corner. And you will have the editor opened like this. Then you need to go and select create a site with AI. Then after going putting that, use the options to tell the generator what you want, such as the pages you'd like to add, your logo, etc. Then read the site brief to ensure it is of course correct. Then at the end, just go and click generate site. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.